Hello and welcome to this Hurricane Beryl update, and I figured I'd make a video because guess what, folks? Hurricane Beryl is now a Category 5 hurricane. Maximum sustained winds up to 160 miles an hour. Taking a look at it here on the satellite loop here at Tropical Tidbits. We'll take a look at it on this satellite as well, and you can see I knew it was strengthening. And you know what? It could even strengthen even more than this, folks. You can see fresh convection off the edges here as well. This thing is in its prime, and this could be, I think, one of the most powerful hurricanes to ever occur. It already broke records, but it could be the first Category 5. I don't know if we've ever seen a Category 5 this early in the year. That might be a record. I haven't seen anyone mention that, but let's get the latest from the National Hurricane Center right now. Latest public advisory here. Beryl becomes a potentially catastrophic Category 5 hurricane in the Eastern Caribbean, expected to bring life-threatening winds and storm surge to Jamaica later this week. As of 11 p.m., 0300 UTC, its location 13.8 north, 64.9 west, about 510 miles east-southeast of ISLA, BEATA, Dominican Republic. And maximum sustained winds are 160 miles an hour, moving west-northwest at 22 miles an hour. Hurricane warning remains in effect for Jamaica. So let's look at the discussion here. We'll read it again to you. At 11 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time, 0300 UTC, the center of Hurricane Beryl was located near latitude 13.8 north, longitude 64.9 west. Beryl is moving toward the west-northwest near 22 miles an hour. Beryl is forecast to continue moving rapidly west-northwest during the next couple of days. On the forecast track, the center of Beryl will quickly move across the southeastern and central Caribbean Sea tonight and Tuesday, and is forecast to pass near Jamaica on Wednesday. Recent data from the NOAA Hurricane Hunters indicates that the maximum sustained winds have increased to near 160 miles an hour with higher gusts. Beryl is now a potentially catastrophic Category 5 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. Fluctuations in strength are likely during the next day or so, but Beryl is expected to still be a major hurricane intensity as it moves into the central Caribbean and passes near Jamaica on Wednesday. Some more weakening is expected thereafter, though Beryl is forecast to remain a hurricane in the northwest Caribbean. Hurricane force winds now extend outward up to 40 miles from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 125 miles from the center. The minimum horizontal pressure is 938 millibars, or 27.70 inches. That is really low. So this is an incredible, incredible storm. It really is. I want to go and look at some, go to the Weather and Hazards Data Viewer and see if we can take a look at maybe some of the buoys that this thing is near, and see what we have here. Get some observations. I don't know if we're going to really have a... let's take a look and see what Barbados experienced with Beryl yesterday. So we'll see what they got. Let's see. They gusted up to 69. Yeah, it looks like they got gusted up to 69 over there. Of course, we're missing some stations here, and let's see St. George. See what they have. You got to remember, some of these stations are going to be knocked offline. Oh, look at this! July 1st, 12 west-southwest wind at 92, gusting to 121. That is insane. So obviously, I think it went right over this island right here, very close to St. George in Grenada. But really, just incredible. And so we have some of the buoys now that are out ahead of this thing. So we have a buoy here. It's reporting northeast wind at 22, gusting to 29. Look at that water temperature, 85 degrees. So, yeah, this thing is moving quickly to the west-northwest. What an incredible, historic storm this is. And more people need to be talking about this, because this is just an ominous sign for the 2024 hurricane season that this is going to be... This may break records. I think it's already breaking records, and it's going to continue to break records with such warm water temperatures. And it's only July 2nd now. So it's just, clock just clicked over to July 2nd. But you can see, look at this thing. I mean, this thing could intensify even more. I don't think I've ever seen such a strong hurricane in the beginning of July. This is quite something.